Capricorn, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my link tree. The link is in the bio. I have some treats there for you. Your word of the day is inner work. It's time to do some character carving right now. Absence of resentment, guilt, anger, grudges, bad temper, worrying about when your breakthrough is coming. These are the things you need to let go. And as you leave those empty spaces open, fill it up with gratitude, love, prosperity, grace. Control your temper at this moment. You could cause an earthquake that can crack the earth's core, destroy the entire world. And you may have the right to do that within the anger and your experiences. But controlling your temper and being not an earthquake, but a tremor that can rock a baby to sleep, that's so peaceful that we just love to be in your presence. That's where you can be trusted with more, and that's when more will start flooding towards you. God brings me to ideal situations for my inner healing and growth. As I become aware of my weaknesses, I turn them into strengths. Just because we are born with a weakness does not mean we have to stay that way. We're all powerful beings that can turn any weakness to a strength. Therefore, we excel to our greater selves. I direct my thoughts towards light, and I see the positive side of each stage of my life. Darkness turns into courage, thus I get stronger. And you know, when we say on this page, once you get stronger, once you get wiser, that means that you can receive bigger, better, stronger gifts, because blessings come with their own weight. You do the work and you have the strength to maintain them. Rain, sleet, or snow won't feel like a ball and chain. It will feel like a feather, and you'll be able to enjoy your life. It's about living, not surviving. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.